What's up, guys?
We did it.
I just finished I've recorded a lot of these I Am Fish videos today, so like, I've recorded one, two, I don't know, a lot, but it's not the point. Bardshire General Hospital. Oh my God, we're gonna get brought to the. So in the last episode, we got Greg into a car accident when we were crossing the road. So now he's in the hospital. And now we're in a box. We're in an ice cube? What? Uh-oh. Was that not... That was not a good idea. Where are we supposed to go? Ooh, maybe over here. Land on those boxes. Genius. We're fish in ice. It's so funny. Dun 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 dun. Let's put these bozos on ice. Dun, dun, dun. The Great Ice Heist. Stay away from the radiator, it melts us. Jeez, good to know. We don't want to get melted. Woohoo! Speedy glass repair. Speedy glass repair. This is so fun. Be fast as hell. Bang. Radiator, 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 radiator. Radiator. Stay away from all radiators. I wish I could make my ice cube bigger again. Can't believe they just froze a fish. How's the middle one frozen? Not the point. Whatever is the point, though. We slipping, we sliding. How many floors does this hospital have? I swear we're gonna end up in Greg's room. We're on the desk. Oh my God, it's the Surgeon Simulator music. We're in Surgeon Simulator. I might play that game, actually. That's a good idea. So this company, they made quite a few games, and I know they made this game, I Am Bread, and Surgeon Simulator.
Who interrupted my surgery practice? Don't hide. You can watch.
Creepy doctor.
Don't hide. You can have surgery too.
I don't want to have surgery too.
This area is closed. You're interrupting my important practice.
I know. Nigel, the surgeon. Exit.
Where are you?
Shh, I'm nowhere. Yes. Made it in. How's the ice not melting anyways? Oops. All I can say is oops. Sorry, whoever's building. I just kind of wrecked your equipment. Dun 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 dun. We're moving. Whoa,
Hide. I must get back to my work.
just a fish, bro. Chill.
Don't interrupt my surgery.
Sorry, bro. He saw me there. Okay.
After I fix Bob, I can fix you.
He's fixing Bob. Oh my god. The guy that ate the fish. Not the fish, the bread. Dun 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 dun. Ooh, ooh, bread, 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 no, bread. Nigel, chill. Nigel.
I could have sworn you were right here. Are you a Bob? Do you need surgery? I'm getting quite good.
Chill, bro.
You can't hide.
Yes, I can. He's chasing me, he knows. Yeah, he's chasing me. Dun dun dun.
I know you're around here. Is it surgery you want?
I'm in a room you can't get to. That's right, leave. I'm gonna go back this way. Well, that's kind of surprising, but it's part of my master plan. So now he won't be rotated here.
You are stopping urgent surgery practice. I need to save lives.
Then go save lives. I'm not causing you problems. No, why are you here? Why are you here? He has no idea.
I'm starting to think you don't want surgery.
I don't.
Come here.
No! It's the exit. Yes! We lost him. Woohoo!
Please come out.
Nope. We gone. Oh, we not gone yet. He following. Run! Run, piranha boy. Dun, 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 dun. God, why is
I
bro?
know you're around here. Is it surgery you want?
I'm a fish. Stop following me. You've seen me. Blue doors are the doors we can open. I think, because we opened a blue door earlier. I'm not sure, but I think I'm kind of sure. Go! Bread. I can never resist.
What are you?
I'm a fish, bro. No! I melted! Aww.
Please come out. Bob is in need of urgent surgery, and you're delaying that.
Then just... God, don't follow me, guy. Come on now. It's not that hard to not follow someone.
Don't interrupt my surgery.
Sorry, bro. I'm chill, don't worry. I'm chill. I'm a chill
You are
fish.
stopping urgent surgery practice.
Literally, I'm in
I need
ice.
to
I'm a
save
chill
lives.
fish. Bro. I got the bread.
Found you.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Yes, I lost him. Down the stairs. See ya, Nigel. Woohoo! We've done it, guys. Let's hope we get to the bottom of the building here. Swear, if we see Nigel again, I'm gonna be so sad. Get us in. Please. Are you serious? We're stuck here? You cannot do this. You can't do this right now. Oh my god, why is this so rage-inducing? Like, I want to be so mad right now. Got it. Whew. Oh, I'm stupid. Blood. Am I really swimming in blood? I'm really swimming in blood, aren't I? Oh my god. I am an insane kind of guy, I guess. What to do? Come on! Dang it! Can fish really survive in blood? That's actually a good question. If I was a different type of YouTuber, like a science YouTuber or something, I would answer that question. Maybe I did something wrong. I'm gonna try this again. Okay, yeah, now I can't grab that. Oh, come on. Am I crazy? Like, I'm actually going crazy. I'll see you guys in a sec. I'm gonna keep trying. Guys, I got it. So, yeah, I reached it, but now I can't get to it. So I'm questioning what I need to do. Ooh, blood. See, this is much easier to reach. Hello? There we go. I can't believe we're filling the room with blood. Also, it's not possible because these blood bags are tiny. And, you know, these blood bags are tiny. And if they fit in a bag, they'll just be like little spots of blood, not. But hey, why am I questioning things? I should just be having fun. Num, num, num. Num, num, num. Whoa. More blood. Come on, bite open the bag. There we go. Now bite this one. Come on. Empty, empty. This one isn't empty. There we go. Thankfully, you can tell once they become empty underwater. I was worried you weren't going to be able to tell. What does AB mean? Is it a type of blood? I didn't think AB was a type of blood. We've emptied all these bags. Any in here? Yes, there are. Ooh, wow, lots in here. Tasty blood. Also, I'm wondering if fish, like, I really don't think it can survive in blood. I feel like blood isn't salty enough for a saltwater fish, and it's too dirty for a clear water fish. I don't know. God, this is agony. This is literal agony. Okay, we've only got a few more bags left. Just these ones and then that one from the first shelf. The first hanger. Well, the second hanger, actually, but from the first few. Okay, we got it. Now we get this one. Okay, we're nipped on. Good. This one. We almost got it, guys. You can skip ahead a little bit, because all it is biting right now. Betcha something exciting's gonna happen, though. Like, the doors are gonna open, and the blood's gonna spill everywhere. I'm not sure. Okay, perfect. Please don't tell me there's more cabinets over here. Okay, no. Just this bag. Not that one. This one. Okay. Guys, here we go. Oh, come on. It's a good old hop. Here we go. Woohoo! Dun, 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 dun. Imagine opening the doors to a floor, and then there's blood everywhere and a piranha swimming around. You'd be like, oh my god, did the piranha kill everything? So that guy's pointing that way, so I'm going this way. I'll trust the guy. This way? It's literally the same thing both ways. Oh, no, it's not. I'll go this way. There's no way the blood filled up this much space. Whatever. Okay, it feels like that way's connected to that way, so I'm gonna go the other way. Dun, 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 dun. Cracked open door, maybe secrets? Don't look like secrets. This thing looks very biteable. It's like a boiler. Is that blood? God. Why is there blood coming out of the pipes? So what's the point of making these cupboards biteable if there's nothing in any of them? Whatever. Blood, 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 blood. Exit. Press the button! The blood-filled elevator. Greg, I'm sorry. Oh my god! Ow! I can't believe we ran into Greg. Go, come on. At the window. Yes! Wait, what? Blood-filled sewers. Come on. We can make it. Pour out more blood, I guess. Yes! Come on. Lead us to our victory! Woo! Go. Go. Yes! We made it to the ocean! Let's go! I've given up. Yeah! Everybody's back! Let's go. Aw, wow. What are they doing? Looking at the other fish? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Guys, look at... No. Finale? How long's this episode so far? Guys, I'm gonna have to cut it off here. We'll be doing the finale in the next episode. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm Exploding Gamer, and I'm out.